This example is a welcome letter from an online course that's usually taught in the summer, LAR 221. The tone of the welcome letter is warm and inviting and conveys the instructor's excitement about the class. They include a brief description of the course, clear instructions on how to get to the course, including how to go through Wolfware, which is new to some students, and the basics of Moodle. There are clear directions on the best way to contact the instructors and what to expect in terms of a response so that students know not to expect an immediate reply. The instructors note whether there will be any synchronous components to the course, how the course is structured, and how to navigate in the Moodle space. They wrap up the welcome letter with things to do before the start of class and an invitation to contact them with any questions.